Those days where you wake up late, scroll your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 11 a.m. And now the whole day just feels ruined. Yeah, I used to think it was just me until I realized something. Your entire day is decided by the first 2 hours, not the whole 24, not your motivation, just the first 2 hours. And once I started fixing that window, my grades, my mood, my focus, everything shifted. Today, I'm breaking down the 2-hour rule and exactly how to use it so your day doesn't feel like a chaotic mess anymore. We don't wake up and instantly destroy our day with one big decision. It happens through tiny, sneaky habits. Like, you wake up and check your phone. You see a message. You check Instagram. You watch one reel, and suddenly you're watching part 47 of a random guy building a cabin in the forest. And now you feel behind, which leads to rushing, which leads to stress, which leads to procrastinating just to breathe. And boom, the whole day is messy. But here's the crazy part. It's not the whole day that's the problem, it's the beginning. If the first 2 hours are chaotic, your brain stays in chaos mode. If the first 2 hours are intentional, the rest of your day follows that momentum. Think of your day like a train. You don't need the whole track to be perfect, you just need a strong push at the start.
So what is the 2-hour rule? It's simple. The first 2 hours after you wake up determine the direction of your entire day. So you must protect that window at all costs. But instead of giving you some unrealistic 5 a.m. millionaire routine, I'll show you a version that works even if you wake up at 9 or 11 or 2 p.m. after an exam week breakdown. No judgment. The 2-hour rule is about intent, not timing. You choose. Whenever I wake up, the next 120 minutes are mine. No chaos allowed.
The 4 stages of the 2-hour rule, 2:40 to 6:40. These 4 stages are designed to pull you out of the slump instantly and give you control. Stage 1, the 10-minute reset, 2:40 to 3:30. The goal here is simple. Wake up your brain gently without overstimulation. Do any of these, your choice. Drink water, wash your face, open your window, light stretch, sit in silence. Just 10 minutes. No phone, no notifications, nothing that drags your mind into chaos. This tiny reset creates a mental fresh slate effect. Mini cliffhanger, and trust me, this next step is the one that flips your entire morning. Stage 2, the 20-minute activation, 3:30 to 4:20. Here's where you start the engine. Not a workout, not a full routine, just a light activation. A 5-minute walk, a quick tidy-up, a short gratitude or journaling session, a brain dump list of what's stressing you. This is all about momentum. If you've ever said, "I feel stuck," this stage unsticks you. Mini cliffhanger. Now here's the step that separates productive days from chaotic ones.
Stage 3, the 30-minute focus block, 4:20 to 5:25. Pick one task, not 3, not your entire to-do list, just one. Study one chapter, finish one assignment, watch one lecture, read 10 pages. Make it something small but meaningful, because once your brain gets a win early in the day, you stop feeling behind and your confidence skyrockets. This is where your direction for the whole day changes. Mini cliffhanger, but the final step, this is where everything locks in.
Stage 4, the 60-minute alignment hour. This is the hour where you prepare the day you want, not the day life throws at you. In this hour, you can plan your next steps, study deeper, work on a personal goal, organize your space, review your priorities, prep meals, clothes, study materials. Think of it as telling your day, "I'm in control." This is how you break the cycle of scattered mornings, messy days, guilt, procrastination, and repeat. Part 4. How to start this tonight, 6:40 to 7:50. You don't need to overhaul your life. You only need to protect 2 hours. Here's an easy start. 1. Decide what time you're waking up tomorrow. 2. Screenshot this 4-step plan. 3. Promise yourself you'll follow it for just one morning. 4. Watch how different your day feels. You'll notice something wild. You're calmer, more focused, more in control. And that messy feeling? Gone.
Most people don't have messy lives. They just have messy mornings. Fix the first 2 hours, and your entire life starts leveling up. Try the 2-hour rule tomorrow, just once, and watch the difference. If you want more routines, mindset tips, and real advice you can actually use, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's level up together, minute by minute, day by day. This is your year.